Road safety is getting more and more important with each passing day. To ensure that your vehicle is safer on the street, there are a lot of safety accessories already included in your vehicle. And if you are not satisfied with that, you can also add your own choice of third-party safety peripherals in your car, such as a mirror dash cam. There are many products available to choose best 5 mirror dash cam, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best 5 mirror dash cam from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. WOLFBOX Mirror Dash Cam. When it comes to safety accessories designed for cars, it is beneficial to go with the ones that have a good track record within its user base. Therefore, we have the following mirror dash cam from WOLFBOX at the top of our list. Starting off our list, we have the WOLFBOX Mirror Dash Cam Backup Camera, which also happens to be the most popular option in the market for mirror dash cam setups. This unit offers up to 1296p resolution video capture from the rear camera and up to 1080p video resolution from the front unit. This is a smart dash camera setup that also comes with a 12 inches wide display unit powered by an IPS display panel. The capture angle of the WOLFBOX mirror dash cam backup cameras goes as high as 170 degrees for the front unit and up to 140 degrees for the rear one. And since the display has a 2.5D curve design, you will notice a rather pleasant viewing experience with this setup. The WOLFBOX mirror dash cam backup camera also features a night vision option powered by a 6-layer glass lens that enhances the light capture in dark. Other smart features of this system include media streaming, GPS, loop recording, adjustable viewing angles, and much more. Number 2. Pormido Mirror Dash Cam. If you are planning to spend a significant sum on your mirror dash cam setup, you should also get a similarly powerful recording performance with the cameras. The following option from Pormido ensures that with the high-quality camera lens. Our third choice for the best mirror dash cam setups is the Pormido Mirror Dash Cam Set. This is probably the best option at this price since it offers almost all premium end features that you would want in your dash cam setup. First of all, the display included in this set is about 12 inches wide and operates on an IPS panel for the best viewing angles. Also, this is a touchscreen display that allows you to switch the viewing modes or angles with ease. However, the best feature of the Pormido mirror dash cameras has to be their camera lens. Both of the cameras included in this set are powered by a Sony sensor. Thus, you will get WDR capture technology, which ensures true colors on the display. Even the capture resolution of the camera is 1296p, which is a bit higher than the standard 1080p resolution. The rear camera of this set is very discreet in terms of design and comes with a 33 feet long connection cable for ease of installation. Number 3. Jansite Mirror Dash Cam. On the other hand, if you are looking for a rather compact display with your mirror dash cam system, check out this option from Jansight. This is also currently being used by thousands of users. In second place, we have the Jansite Mirror Dash Cam Set. This set also includes both front and rear cameras so that you can get a comprehensive view of your car. The recording resolution of the camera is the standard FHD 1080p resolution, which is perfect for the included 10 inches wide digital display. However, the display offers WDR, HDR color support that enables a lifelike video preview of the captured image. Also, the included display of the Jansite Mirror Dash Cam offers full touch functionality for ease of access for the user. There is a 32.8 feet long cable included in the package that lets you easily connect the rear camera to the system without any problem. The Jansight Mirror Dash Cam is rated for Super Night Vision functionality, which offers an impeccable display in dark for better security of your car. Similar to most other options on this list, the Jansight Mirror Dash Cam is backed by a year of warranty. Number 4. Fallway Mirror Dash Cam. There are also a few brands in the market that introduce high-quality cameras in the mirror dash cam setups within an affordable range. The following example from Volway is a great example of such a product. The Volway Mirror Dash Cam is also a smart choice from our picks of the best mirror dash cams that offers a range of exciting features suited for enthusiast users. It offers up to 1440p resolution video recording, which is displayed on the 10 inches wide touchscreen digital display. This display also features an IPS display panel, which is great to have at this price range. It offers a wide range of color production with color accuracy and expanded viewing angles. Apart from the touch controls, the Volway Mirror Dash Cam also features direct voice command support that you will find really helpful while you are driving. As for the viewing angles, the Volway Mirror Dash Cam offers up to 170-degree capture angle on the front and up to 160-degree capture angle on the rear camera. This does not leave any blind spot on the footage and allows you to check all angles with ease. The best feature of the Volway Mirror Dash Cam is its Starlight Night Vision functionality powered by Sony's Starvis camera sensor. Number 5. JOMISE Mirror Dashcam. Up next, we have yet another high-resolution mirror dashcam set that might be the right choice for your needs. The following option is designed by JOMISE, a brand that produces a variety of mirror dashcams and their accessories. JOMISE Mirror Dashcam is also a premium end option that we have included on this list for its similarly high-quality features. First of all, it has an 11 inches wide digital display which is neither too large nor too small for most users. And since this is a touchscreen display, you will find it much easier to access compared to other compact options. Also, the display panel used for this set is an IPS panel which is known to offer the best results as far as the viewing angles and color grading is concerned. The JOMISE 4 Kelvin mirror dash cameras are powered by a Sony camera lens. Therefore, you will have support for up to 4 Kelvin recording resolution, which is not that common in mirror dash cam units. The JOMISE 4 Kelvin mirror dash cam is powered by a Type-C USB cable that prevents loose contact and maintains a uniform performance of the system. Similar to other premium options, you will also find superior night vision compatibility with the JOMISE 4 Kelvin mirror dash cam thanks to the Sony Starvis camera sensor. If you were looking for a reliable option, this might be the one since it is backed by a 2-year-long warranty period. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool product. Is it going to make your life much easier? Thanks for watching. Have a great day.